killed, Prahlad pacifies the Lord with prayers. So Prahlad Maharaj, the only one who could pray, go near Narasimha Deva. Everyone was scared to go near Narasimha Deva after Hiranyakashipu was killed. So here it is said, Prahlad himself is making this prayer, "Oh my Lord, all the devatas, they are all your devotees. But I am born in a demonic, me and my family. They are very fortunate. Your appearance in this fearsome form is your pastime for your own pleasure. And such an incarnation is always meant for the protection and improvement of the universe. So, Narasimha's incarnation is meant for protection, not only for the individual devotees, but also for the protection and improvement of the universe. So the Lord is in control of this universe. Lord is in control of the material world. It is not that the Supreme Lord has left everything according to people's karma and then anybody can do anything. Some freedom is given, just like Hiranyakashipu. By dint of his very harsh austerities, tapas, as per the laws of punya, karma, he acquired a lot of power. He became very powerful in Hiranyakashipu. So that is allowed as per the laws of nature. This is how the material world is created. And the material world is operated on the principles of as you sow, so you reap, as per the laws of karma. But that doesn't mean that ultimately the Lord does not have an oversight over everything that is going on. This Narasimha Lila is a demonstration that the Lord incarnates into this material world, in the midst of the human society. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha duskritam. Just to destroy or to suppress the duskritas and to save the sadhus. So it may appear that the material world, there is, like people will say, there is God, why this, why that, so many things they ask. Because the Lord has given the independence to the living entities. The entire material world is governed by the devatas. Devatas are also within the grip of the laws of karma. But at some point of time, you have to understand that the Lord does not leave the situation just like that. We should never forget the fact that the Lord personally is overseeing even the material world.